So creating the time to paint is actually really important, and a lot of people will be intimidated by getting a big piece of watercolour paper and then thinking, oh, I just don't have the time to do this. One of the suggestions that I've made to a lot of my students, and in fact to one of my friends who had really young children and it was really difficult to get a decent space to amount of time to paint, is that I said to her, reduce the size of the painting that you're working on. And I said, tear your watercolour paper up into small postcard size pieces, and then you only have to commit to a postcard size piece. And what is really important is to actually just practice a little bit each day. So if you just have a small piece of paper, it's not so intimidating. And then go out into the garden and pick something, find something, or if you collect shells or rocks or whatever, just find one object and focus on that. What I also say to friends that are having challenges with painting is to set yourself a challenge. So how about pick a theme for the next month and go, for that month, each day, I'm just going to do one small painting to fit in with that theme. If you like this video, find more watercolour painting techniques here and subscribe to Channel NT for more workshops from Northern Territory artists. Visit channelnt.com.au.